These cars might look appealing or even luxurious, but safety ratings and recalls suggest they could be among the most dangerous vehicles on the road today. Buying a car usually means comparing price, fuel economy, and features. But one factor matters more than all of them: safety. Crash tests and recall reports show that some vehicles fall far short when it comes to protecting drivers and passengers. Here are 6 vehicles that have raised safety concerns in recent years. First is the 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Crash test results from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety raised concerns about this compact SUV. The vehicle received a marginal rating for moderate overlap front crashworthiness and an acceptable rating for the small overlap front test. Its front crash prevention system also earned a poor rating, while the child seat anchor system was the only category rated good. Next is the Fiat 500L, which was sold in North America from 2014 through 2020. Safety ratings during that time were underwhelming. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the 2020 model a poor rating in the small overlap front crash test. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration also issued recalls related to software calibration that could prevent the vehicle from accelerating properly. Next is the 2020 Dodge Journey. This vehicle received several concerning crashworthiness scores from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. It earned a poor overall rating for driver's side small overlap front protection, along with marginal and poor ratings in other categories, including safety cage strength and headlights. The 2020 Cadillac Escalade is another vehicle that has appeared on safety watch lists. Although full crash testing has not been completed by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the vehicle has been involved in recalls. One recall involved tires that could develop sidewall breaks, while another involved fuel pump issues that could increase the risk of fire. Next is the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country minivan. Minivans are often expected to provide strong safety performance for families, but this model received a poor rating in the small overlap front crash test from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Finally, the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck has drawn attention for its futuristic design, but has also faced several safety concerns. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has issued multiple recalls for the vehicle, including issues related to a trapped accelerator pedal that could cause unintended acceleration and an inverter failure that could lead to a sudden loss of power. A low purchase price or flashy design might make a vehicle appealing, but safety ratings and recall history are critical factors to consider. Reviewing crash test results from organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and recall information from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration can help you make a more informed decision before buying your next vehicle.